Confidently manage team access by securely assigning permissions based on role levels. Without the right access control, securing assessments and candidate data can quickly become a daunting task. However, with role-based access, you can define permissions for your team members according to their roles, ensuring that each person only has access to what they need. At the organization level, you can assign roles that determine who gets access to the company's overall data and settings. To verify this, head over to Settings, then click on Org Members. Here you can assign specific roles to each email address. In an example scenario, a company can use the Org Members settings to invite new hires and assign roles such as admin, editor, viewer, or question setter. For instance, if a new hiring manager joins the team, they can be assigned the role of viewer initially to get acquainted with the platform before being granted more permissions. You can also manage access for individual tests. To do this, navigate to the test dashboard and select the specific test for which you want to assign permissions. Then click on Settings, followed by clicking on Members. Here you can enter your email address along with the specific permission that you want to assign to that email address. Effortlessly control team access, ensuring assessments and candidate data remain secure without hindering collaboration. Are you ready to secure your assessment workflow? Start using role-based access in WECP today.